Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Halloween party gift ideas and party favors, some DIY decor ideas that you can do, super cute and easy. Also some catering ideas for setup, okay? So if you want to see what I do, then keep on watching. I'm going to get started with putting on some table covers for this table, okay? So I just went on and picked the simple one, and this is going to be where I set the gifts out, and you'll see, so keep on watching. But I'm just going to spread this out. Now I'm going to be preparing the gift bags. So these are $1, you guys. The key is to get to the Dollar Tree, because this is Dollar Tree stuff, pretty early before the holiday. I kind of went a little late, but I was able to grab these bags and also some of these party favors, or gifts, shall I say. So I got those fluffy socks, I got these cute little journals, I got these little thermal cups. They have like cute little sayings on them. So these are some gift ideas. And also I have some bags for the kitties. So these are going to be for the little party favors. Now I'm just going to show you guys how I set up these bags. I'm going to put like the bulkier stuff in first, and that was actually $1.25 from Big Lots, those little lotion sets. So I went on and put the rest of the stuff in just like so. And just to make it a little cute, you know, a little bit more proper, I'm just going to add this dollar tissue paper. And voila, there you have it. I just think that adding the tissue paper sets it off. And that's what I'm going to continue on doing, you guys, is setting up these little gift bags and party favors for the kitties. Now for a little DIY decor or project. I'm going to use these bags that I got to set for $1 and draw a little jack-o'-lantern face. Okay, now it's not looking all cute right now, but you'll see. I'm going to work it out, y'all. So you can make, whatever face you want. I just did a basic face, and now I'm going to cut that out. And I am not cutting on the lines. I'm aware of that. I'm actually deciding as I go that I want the eyes a little bigger. So yeah. Okay, so now that you got the face cut out, now what I'm going to do is add some lighting. So these lights, I got an LED regular candle lights and this lantern that are super cute. I got a bunch of them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the lantern to put inside. You can use the candle. I just went with this, and y'all, when I tell you that I was not expecting the face to like really pop out, honestly, it's my first time doing it. So as you can see, it looks like there's eyes glowing, the nose and the mouth. Like, I don't know, it just worked out perfectly, so I'm glad it came out. Yes, so next I'm just going to do a couple of those little faces and add the lights. So yeah, you guys, little fun project. I actually saw these bags on sale at $5 and below, and I was like, I'm not paying, I can just do it myself. So that's where I got the idea from. So now just for a little bit of fun, you guys, and to add to the table, I'm using these glow sticks. They're $1. And you guys, I don't know if you can see that, but I got a glow-in-the-dark little pumpkin necklace right there. And I came up with a game where you can hide like a necklace like that and have, you know, your guests go find it for like a little game and to be able to give someone a gift. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now what I went on and did was put the other table cover on the kids' table. So that's the perfect idea, so the kids won't get the table any more dirtier. Alright, so now y'all, it's time for the candy bags. You know you need candy because it's Halloween. So all this candy I got from the Dollar Tree, okay? You got Skittles, Twizzlers, you got Reese's, got Airheads, you know, all that good candy, y'all. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Alright, so once I got, you know, that out the way, now I'm going to show you guys a cute little setup idea. So these little chalkboards are $1, and these pins. So my bestie got me hooked on these. I didn't even know these existed, but yeah, so I'm going to try it out. So for like the stations, you can like write out like little sayings and stuff. I thought it would be cute to call this little station that I'm having the candy at Candyman Land because of Halloween. So that's what I'm gonna write out. So after I did that, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish using all this candy and filling up these little loot bags. Now, next, I thought it was a cute idea to use these little cups. They're like little sippy cups, but I'm going to use them as little holders for my favorite candy. But yeah, these tongs are going to be needed. So yes, I'm going to be filling these up with red vines. You guys, red vines is my favorite candy. And I'm just going to show you how I do that. Now moving on to some catering ideas. So I thought this is super cute in, you know, the celebration of Halloween to do some deviled eyes instead of deviled eggs. Get it? So I'm just finished prepping these eggs, you guys, that I made, and they actually turn out pretty good. But these platters and all of this stuff is $1, you guys. Like, Dollar Tree is the real MVP for real. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use these little chalk markers like I did on the candy side and write on here devil eyes. Get it? No, but seriously, I thought it was a good you know, play on words and idea, and that's why I have those little gum eyeballs. There you go. And now I'm just going to show you guys all these little different platters. I got some more different shapes and all of that, but I'm going to show you the type of foods that I'm going to use to put in them, and also these little napkin, I don't know what they're called, but they're super cute. You can use all this stuff, you guys, and here is what I filled them up with. As you can see, got a little bit of everything else for the wine. That came with a little wine and ice bucket too, so cute. And yeah. And as you can see, I put some cupcakes on those platters. Okay, you guys, lastly, what I'm going to be showing you guys is an idea for a photo booth. Voila, this is pretty much what I came up with, y'all. It may not look like much, but it did well for picture taking, as you can see. But go ahead and subscribe and thumbs this video up. Also press that bell notification for when I post new videos. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.